Let's walk through the steps of making a covering for your fireplace mantle, perfect for the holidays. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and today we are going to be making a covering for my fireplace mantle. As you can see right now, it is just wood, and I thought for the holidays it would be really fun to make it look more snowy. So I have this white fleece, and I'm just going to cut it out the length that I would like this to go all the way across the mantle. Now the nice part about using fleece is I'm not going to have to worry about hemming it, so once I have it cut for one side, I'm just going to repeat this for as many pieces as I need. So as you can see on my mantle, it's 3 separate pieces, so I'm going to have to do 2 seams to sew them together. So I'm going to take right sides together of these fabrics, use my quilting clips, and just clip them up so that I'm able to then take those 2 seams. Now since I am using fleece, you could also use with felt, I'm not going to have to worry about hemming it, so once I do these 2 seams, that's all I have to do on the sewing machine. Once I have the seams complete though, I am then going to go over to my rotary cutter, and I'm just going to trim a lot of this fabric off from the seam allowance, as I do not need all of this and it's going to be really bulky. So once I do that, I'm now ready to just kind of trim off the edges of the fabric so that everything's even across. When I cut this, I used scissors originally, so it's not the smoothest cut. Using the rotary cutter gives you a really nice and clean and smooth cut all the way across. Now, if you did not use fleece or felt and you did use cotton, that's totally fine. You would just go through and take a hem, depending on how big of a hem you wanted, all the way through so that you get a nice clean edge and don't have to worry about it coming undone. Once I had that complete though, I just put the fleece back up on my mantle so that it would have this really nice and fun snowy look. Once that was done, I then started decorating, so I made these little crochet trees. I found a really simple pattern online. If you're interested, I'll be sure to link it below. Just made a few of them and then added some few little red bows on the side so that I could begin the season of holiday decorating. I hope you enjoyed this video, just a really quick and simple way to do some decorating inside your house, especially after Thanksgiving. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more holiday content. Thanks for watching.